Orlando Executive Ground, Cherokee 55659er, Shelter ramp with Sierra, ready to taxi VFR to the east. Run up complete.
Cherokee 55659er, Executive Ground, runway 7 at Alpha 7, taxi via Foxtrot, Kilo Alpha. You did say eastbound with Sierra, correct?
That is correct. We are Foxtrot Kilo Alpha for 7 eastbound Sierra, Cherokee 55659er.
Roger, thanks. November 659er, you can turn into Alpha 7. Just leave room for that Twin Commanche. He's working on a release and have a couple on final. That way, if he does get that release, he can get him out before you. If not, you'll be number 1. Go ahead and hold short runway 7 at Alpha 7 and give Tower a call now.
Okay, we'll hold short Alpha 7. We'll leave room for the Twinkie 659er Tower. Thanks.
6112 Alpha 5 over to Shelter.
It's for runway 7 now.
All right, we're going for the left base for runway 7 for 4 Kilo.
Orlando Executive Tower, Cherokee 55659er, ready to take off Alpha 7, runway 7. We left room for the Twinkie.
November 55659 Orlando Tower, you number 1, right turn eastbound is approved. Just maintain VFR below 1,100. Runway 7 at Alpha 7, clear for takeoff.
Okay, clear takeoff, Alpha 77 below 1,100, Cherokee 55659er, thanks.
Number 4, Julie Kilo, number 1, runway 7, clear to land.
Number 1, clear land for 4 Kilo.
$1,100. Level order at 1,000. $500 to go.
Orlando Tower. What's the Twinkie reference for 288?
Say again?
What's the Twinkie reference for 76288?
We like it.